All right, good morning again on this Saturday morning on what will be another hot afternoon and a hot weekend in store for us, but maybe not triple digits for the entire weekend. In fact, we've had a little bit of a break from the triple digits recently. Yes, it's been hot, but we haven't been adding to that number of triple digit days so far, and I believe we will maybe before the weekend is over and into next week, but we've had a little bit of a break over the last few days. So the count stands at 44. We've had 0 days in a row because the high yesterday was only 97. So through yesterday, we've had 52 days back in 1980, 48 in 2011, and 46 in 1998. So we've kind of fallen behind by a couple of days for those summers so far, but I do believe we're going to add to that number as we head into the upcoming week. But another chance at some relief down the road and potential for some more rain in our future as well. We'll talk more about that coming up in just a little bit. In the meantime, today's an ozone action day across DFW and all of North Texas. Had one of these yesterday, have obviously one of them again today. The high 99, so we're close to that 100-degree mark today, but don't think we quite get there. Looks like we'll get there tomorrow with plenty of sunshine and a high of around 100. Of course, when you factor in the humidity, it'll feel a little bit hotter than that both today and tomorrow. Highs today will be about 97 to 100. So yes, there will be a handful of locations that briefly jump up and hit that 100-degree mark this afternoon. Remember, the normal high this time of the year is still 97. We're still in our hottest stretch, what is typically our hottest stretch of the year. So, 98, 99 or so across the DFW area. Pretty close to normal for this time of the year. Tomorrow, I'm going to go a degree or two warmer, so a better chance at quite a few places jumping up and hitting that 100-degree mark tomorrow afternoon, anywhere from around 99 to 101. Tomorrow across the DFW area. We clear skies at the moment. There'll probably be some of those puffy cumulus clouds that develop as we head through the afternoon, but none of them will turn into showers and storms, at least in our area. Where there is some shower and storm activity is out in the Gulf. See all that activity kind of between Houston and Brownsville, most of it off the coast right now. That's a little tropical disturbance that's down there, likely not going to become a tropical system, at least in terms of, becoming strong enough to be a tropical depression or tropical storm, but it is kind of a little tropical disturbance down there. It's going to move into South Texas as we head through the weekend. They're going to get some beneficial rainfall. We will not. So the Houston area could see a little rain today, especially down near Corpus and then kind of the Rio Grande Valley into South Texas, maybe up towards San Antonio tomorrow and through the end of the weekend. I mean, you can see the spin in that tropical disturbance, but as I mentioned, not strong enough to become a tropical depression. Just going to bring some beneficial rainfall down that way, maybe about 1 to 4 inches of rain anywhere from the Rio Grande Valley down to South Texas. But you can see the kind of sharp cutoff there of rain as you head up into Central Texas. Our rain chances over the next 10 days don't come from that tropical system. We stay high and dry this weekend and in the next week. It comes with a bit of a pattern shift next week. So we're hoping for maybe a tenth to maybe a quarter inch across the area over the next 10 days or so. Because look at this, we go up to 103 by Wednesday. Sunday starts a streak of triple digits, maybe only 4 days in a row though. We'll add to that triple digit count. But then Wednesday into Thursday, we get a summertime cold front in here. I'm not promising really cooler temperatures or anything like that. I mean, cooler than 103, but it's still going to be hot with a high of 95, 96 on Friday. Next weekend, hopefully we stay in the 90s and maybe even in the mid-90s the following week. So after that triple digit on Wednesday, here's hoping that we may go 4, 5, 6 days without a 100-degree temperature. We will see. At least it's looking better than that first part of the week.